Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So, if you have deleted your Instagram stories mistakenly, then in this video I will show you how to recover that or how to restore that. So, after restoring that story will come back to your story section that is currently which is going on. So, I will show you in my mobile screen. So, here you can see this is my Instagram account. So if I will go to my story and I will delete my this story from here, and I will show you how to restore this story. So currently I am deleting this. So once it is deleted, you have to go to three line on the top right. After that, click on your activity, and after that you have to scroll down and come to recently deleted, and here you have to go to this second icon, and here you can see this is a reel that we have deleted. Click on three dot and click on restore. So after clicking on restore, now I will reopen my Instagram app and I will show you over here. You can see this story has came back to my story section again. With the view, you will not lose any view or anything. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.